Hello, how are you doing? Barnabas here. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I would like to comment on the changes that will take place on the 1st of July 2024 in regards to graduate visa for international students. But before I do that, please note that I'm not a registered immigration agent. If you need any help with matters immigration, please contact a registered immigration agent. If you don't have one, I'm happy to give you reference. Now, with that done, let's jump straight into it. Truth be told, majority of the international students who come to Australia for studies would like to stay a little longer after their graduation. And what helps with that is after their graduation, they're usually given a 2 to 3 years of a graduate visa. Within that period, they can work unlimited hours, get some finances, and get some experience, which is very important before they apply for permanent residency and stay longer in Australia. This is now confirmed that come the 1st July 2024, there is going to be a bit of changes regarding this graduate visa. And it's going to affect two things. One, the maximum number of years that you must have for you to qualify for that visa. And number two, the amount of years that you're allowed on this visa. The biggest change is on the maximum eligible age. For you to qualify for the postgraduate visa now, you have to be a maximum of 35 years or below at the time of application. It's saying here that the maximum eligible age for the post-higher education work stream applicants will reduce to 35 years of age or under at the time of application. Master's research and doctorate degree PhD graduates and Hong Kong and British nationalities overseas passport holders will still be eligible if they are under 50 years of age. So it means you either 35 years or below, or if you're above 35, then it has to be master's research or PhD holders, or if you're an applicant with the British or Hong Kong passport. So the second change is on the number of years you're allowed to stay on this visa, and stay periods will change to the following. Bachelor degree including honors will stay up to 2 years. Master's coursework and extended will stay up to 2 years. Master's research and doctorate degree or PhD will stay up to 3 years. But there is an exemption again. Hong Kong and British nationalities will stay up to 5 years regardless of the course. Stay periods for Indian nationalities also, according to agreement, they will stay as follows. Bachelor's degree including honors will stay up to 2 years. Bachelor degree with first class honors will stay up to 3 years. Master's coursework or research will stay up to 3 years, and doctorate or PhD will stay up to 4 years. Now, what is the effect of that? When you're applying for studies in Australia now, you need to do your maths. How long is your course going to take? So do your maths so that by the time you graduate, you should be 35 or below, okay? Unless you're doing master's by research or you're doing a PhD, which are allowed, still allowed, up to 50 years, all right? So please don't just apply for a course and thinking things will, change when you come. From 1st of July 2024, you must do your maths well. By the time you're graduating, you should be 35 or below if you're doing a degree course or a master's coursework, okay? The second effect of this change is because now you have a shorter period to stay on a graduate visa, you must be effective. Within these 2 years of your graduate visa, how are you going to spend it? Is it enough to get your work experience to help you apply for permanent residence? Is it enough to be able to gather funds enough to help you to apply for permanent residency? So you have to plan yourself very well. Don't waste a lot of time because you have very limited time to be able to prepare, get your work experience and the funds to enable you to apply for permanent residency if you're staying here in Australia a little longer. My encouragement is that international students are still getting admission to come to study in Australia, which is to me one of the best destinations in the world at the moment. All right, don't be discouraged with this kind of changes. So if you know you qualify in terms of age and you have the fees to come to study in Australia, please apply. Come, stay focused, study, graduate, and work within the limited time. Get your experience and the finances. And if you want to stay longer in Australia, you can apply for permanent residency. Whatever your plan is, I want to wish you all the best. That's all I had for you today. Till next time, my name is Barnabas, the son of encouragement. Bye-bye and God bless you.